Alright, YouTube, back working on the garden. Gonna do a little work on the brick edging. Probably get to painting underneath the patio cover and see if we can look at that fan again. Stop it from wobbling. Yeah! These are bricks, the brick edging. We're going to set it in so it stands up straight, sets down in a little lower. It's going to look nice. Alright, we're going to work on this fan some more and see if we can't get rid of that wobble. Do a little modification. You can see where that's wobbling there. What it is there's a block, there's a plastic block that holds the stem, and it's cracked. Lets it wobble like that. So let's see if we can put a piece between those rafters and then screw it onto that housing there. So let's get started. So I want to use a piece of this 3/4 little L bracket. Just put this between the rafters. L bracket will go in there and attach. Well, it's supposed to be like this. Attach to this piece and to that housing on the fan. See if that'll stop that wobbling. Let's see if the wobble is gone. Still a little bit, but that's on high. Not nearly as bad as it was. So I don't think it's ever going to go away. Nice try anyway. So we're going to start painting these parts of that roof blue. There's the blue. So we're going to paint these flat parts blue, and these rafters we're going to paint black. So we're going to get started. Blue portion done. Sloppy, but that material can use a lot of finesse. There's a bunch of nails broken through. Just that kind of soften up. But we should be able to clean it up when we put the black on the rest of the rafters up there. Halfway there. Check it out, all finished. Even with this marginal paint job, the difference is striking. I like it. We did a little checkup of the yard here. See how his stuff is doing. There's a red bud we planted. It's doing pretty good. Getting new growth. Come over here. This old tree that we planted, we transplanted, it did make it. So in the process of trying to decide what to put there. We just got this tree on sale, crepe myrtle. It's got a special name, Gotta see what it is. Lavender Thunder. That's gonna look pretty good. Still gotta decide where to put that too. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Still a lot of work to do. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.